Welcome to Unit 3 and our section in spreadsheets using Excel in Microsoft. Many of you are wondering when are you ever going to use spreadsheets, especially those that might be younger. You will be using spreadsheets when you become much older, and especially I can tell you firsthand I use spreadsheets in my house when I'm doing billing. I use spreadsheets at school with my job, and in some occasions you might use spreadsheets when you go on a trip or something. It all depends on how you might want to use them. There's many different uses, but I would suggest watching this film here because it will relate to something that might relate to you. Now, going through this section, I would like to touch upon a couple areas. Looking at it, you'll again have the review here at 1.1 and 1.2, and then you'll come down to the next section, which is going to be your 1.3 and your first assignment. Make sure you follow the steps. Again, go through the steps for 1.3 and follow the exact instructions that are being asked of you to complete. Your assignment will start down here where it says 1.3, and again, you'll have to come through and read this section closely. Again, it's not much to read, they're very short. And then you'll come down and start following the instructions. What's wonderful about the whole thing is that in the end, it will show you exactly what yours should look like. Good luck, guys.